right, so today we're featuring Southwest Skillet, and we're going to be featuring the Winnemans beef Polish sausage that's sold here at the Link Market for $5.50 a package. But the recipe, you can use any kind of protein you'd like, and essentially we're going to mix that meat in with a variety of different vegetables. So bell pepper's a great choice along with onion. We're going to use a little bit of summer squash that they're selling at the Link Market today. And we're going to saute those veggies down, add in some chili powder, cumin, salt, pepper, and a touch of cayenne. And then we are going to stir in some fire roasted diced tomatoes and black beans. If you got a can of corn, that'd be great in there. And finish it off with some pre-cooked rice, just to make it a little bit heartier and a really complete dish. So very easy, simple, quick, and really can use a variety of different ingredients that you have on hand.